If you mod your NSX, you're probably going to be dealing with check engine lights, unless you know a thing or two about fabricating exhausts. OJ Lopez here from Fluid MotorUnion, and today we've got an Acura NSX second generation that had kind of an issue. He had an aftermarket exhaust system that wasn't quite meeting the state emission standards. With over 570 horsepower from the factory, using a dual hybrid power plant with the V6 turbocharged engine, the Acura NSX comes pretty stout from the factory. But as you know with our customers, sometimes enough isn't enough. The way that Acura regulates these systems can leave the car with some problems. Lights on the dash, reduced power, limp home mode, and this is just basic upgrade stuff. Now there's some ways to deal with these lights, piggybacks that bump up the power, masking some of the issues. However, that really isn't a comprehensive solution, and no one really had any offerings until this customer rolled in with just this issue. Truth be told, I don't think our system is going to make any more power than what's already on the car. However, our knowledge of exhaust system creation is like a fine blade, sharpened by countless custom builds over the years. Each one of them, the goal was always the same. We create a unique symphony echoing our passion for the craftsmanship that we put out. That's a really nice way of saying, I think we can improve this while still meeting the emission standards. Let's see what we can do. The system on the car kind of left the vehicle with a truckish tone, not really suiting the exotic looks of the NSX. Now, this stuff here flows great, makes great power, but the sound leaves a little bit desired. The length of these downpipes are going to give us an opportunity to use one of my favorite ways to bring out a high-pitched tone in a vehicle, and that's a very long megaphone. The other major hurdle I see in trying to create the best tone for this vehicle is that these banks aren't connected. So what we essentially have are two 3-cylinder engines. We can fix that. So you might be wondering, what's our secret sauce to getting this thing to sound less truck-like and more exotic? Our Smooth Merge X megaphones and valves are precisely placed for that exotic sound and to minimize cell activation. No resonators, no inferior resonance chambers, no 90-degree junctions, just pure, unadulterated harmony. Now, while this exhaust was designed for the most visceral driving experience possible with the bolt-on system, don't worry, we've got a stealth mode too. Quiet mode lets you fly under the radar when needed. Our old catchphrase, silence to violence, certainly pertains here. With no lights on the dash and the car sounding and performing amazing, we took it over to the emissions testing facility to make sure that this thing really passes the muster. And guess what? It does. So I've already gone over the reasons why this customer was looking for our help in solving his exhaust problem. But you might be wondering, why not just a bolt-on kit? Well, that's like asking a Michelin star chef to make instant ramen. Sure, it'll fill you up, but where's the joy? Where's the flavor? Where's the craftsmanship? And now the moment you've all been waiting for. Let's take this animal for a spin. At Fluid MotorUnion, we don't just build exhausts. We create symphonies on wheels. Well, that's it for today, guys. Make sure you like and subscribe for more automotive magic.